This is the M3 Hotwire rollout pipe welding system. It uses a 3,000 pound positioner with a 1 to 24 inch pipe gripper. Powered, height elevating manipulator with 12-inch precision cross slides allow for a fully automated welding process. It also incorporates a large industrial touchscreen to create and store weld programs, a 20-foot welding cell length, and a Miller TIG welding package. With correct material handling, this machine has arc-on times of 90% using our tip TIG Hotwire feeder and Desire's Weld Vision package integrated into the system. With the M3 system, no inner pass cooling is required, allowing for root-to-gap welds, exponentially increasing your welding production and quality in pipe welding and prefabrication applications. Please call today or visit our website at sccindustrial.com for more inquiries.